नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का स्वागत है। वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। 12th बाईपार्टाइट सेटलमेंट का नेगोशिएशन डिस्कशन अभी तक इनिशिएट नहीं हुआ। इसके बावजूद कि डीएफएस ने अपना कंसेंट ऑलरेडी बैंकों को दे दिया है। इस बारे में सीएस वेंकटचलम सर का एक ट्वीट, commencement of discussions and negotiation on the charter of demands for next wage revision settlement delay causing concern and anxiety, UOB writes to IBA। इस बारे में UOB ने एक पत्र 15/4 को IBA को लिखा। You are aware that the charter of demands for wage revision, which has already become due from 1st November 22, have since been submitted respectively by workmen unions and the officers association. Since no steps were being taken up by the Indian Bank Association on the charter of demands, EOBU served the strike notice on 13 January 23, and our demand for immediate commencement of negotiation of charter of demands for wage revision was one of the prominent issues. On 20th January 23, via their communication to all the banks and IBA, the government had advised that they may initiate the process of negotiations for the next wage revision due from 1st November 22. In the conciliation meeting held before Deputy CLC on 27th January 23, IBA informed that on receipt of the communication from DFS, letter has been addressed to the banks seeking mandate and initiate the process of negotiation. This was one of the main reasons for UOBU deferring the proposed strike. In the bipartite discussion held on 31st January 23, we raised this issue and IBA informed us that already of the banks have been requested to submit their mandate to IBA. In view of this, we suggested that the date for the formal commencement of the negotiation may be fixed at an early date with a view to complete the process as early as possible and avoid undue delays. IBA agreed with our views and informed us that they would discuss amongst themselves to the further move in the matter. In the bipartite discussion held on 28 February 23, we again raised the issues and urged upon IBA to commence the discussion on the charter of demands. IBA assured to finalize the date for a such meeting. But so far, we are yet to hear anything from the IBA in this regard. 6 months have lapsed after the submission of charter of demands, and the discussion on the demands have not yet commenced, even though the government has already advised the banks and the IBA to go ahead with the process. In this, it is needless to bring to you attention that the delay is causing anxiety and creating restlessness amongst the employee and officer at large. Hence, we urge upon the IBA to expedite the process of fixing the date for the formal commencement of negotiation on the charter of demands pending receipt of the mandate from all the banks. यह दो बातें IBA बार बार कहती है कि बैंकों से मैंडेट नहीं मिला, लेकिन जब DFS ने बैंकों को इनिशिएट करने के लिए 12th बाईपार्टाइट का नेगोशिएशन ग्रीन सिग्नल दे दिया है, तो बैंकों को मैंडेट आने में इतना वक्त लगना उचित नहीं है। या तो IBA की तरफ से कोई फॉलोअप नहीं है, या अगर है तो DFS को भी कदम उठाना चाहिए कि बैंकों को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए कि सर्टेनली कि आप इसको इनिशिएट करो, क्योंकि जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि एक स्टे पिटीशन फाइल हुआ है 12th बाईपार्टाइट नेगोशिएशन के, जब तक कि पेंडिंग इशू रिजॉल्व ना हो जाए। उसका डेट अप्रैल के लास्ट वीक में है। ऐसे में बैंक यूनियन को इस बार का प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करना चाहिए कि कम से कम 12th बाईपार्टाइट का इनिशिएशन ऑफ डिस्कशन और नेगोशिएशन शुरू हो जाए। पता चले कि आईबीए का मंशा क्या है, सरकार की तरफ से क्या मंशा है, बैंकों को क्या फायदा होगा, इस बारे में एक इंडिकेशन तो पता चलेगा। सो आईबीए को और यूएफबीओ को कंटिन्यूअस हैमरिंग करना पड़ेगा टू इनिशिएट दिस commencement of the negotiation and settlement of the 12th bipartite. Thank you friends. Namaskar.